Okay. Video blog. Okay, so as everyone knows, we've been working on our Middlebury Movie Queen remake. We've now finished shooting all of the stuff we're thinking that we're going to have shot, and we're moving into the editing / paper writing phase. Overall, I think it's been a pretty exciting journey. I think we went into it with a little bit of a different view than what we've ended up with, but I think that's kind of exciting. Originally, we wanted to, directly remake the movie. And as we had interviews with people actually in the film, we realized that what was actually important and what we found really cool about the movie itself was that it documented what life in old Middlebury used to be like. And things have changed, but some of the things have stayed the same. And I think as we started filming, we kind of got a grasp for that. Like people still walk around shops of Main Street. Um, there's still a bridge in town. A lot of the buildings are the same. The Town Hall Theater, the Middlebury Inn, the post office, a lot of them look the same, but there are a lot of subtle differences as well. Like cars are completely different. You can't park on both sides of the street. Some other things that I found surprising while shooting was kind of the range of responses we got to asking people about the film and asking people to be on camera. Some people were excited to participate, excited about what we were doing, excited that there was a film about the town of Middlebury. Other people were very hesitant to be videotaped or to allow us to videotape their stores, which was pretty interesting. And that's what I had expected. I expected most people to be a little weirded out at students filming on their iPhones instead of like real recording equipment. But a lot of people, surprisingly, were very willing to participate, asked us questions, want to see the final product. So that's pretty cool. Also, another thing I realized while filming is there's so many things happening around you that you can't really capture them all just by having your phone with you, which is kind of counterintuitive. You think that having your iPhone with you would allow you to just capture everything, but you start realizing all the little things that you're not catching. And that was kind of exciting in a way because you realize how many cool things are around you. And we'll see what our final project looks like. It's going to be less about, fancy shots, fancy tricks of the camera, more about I guess it is kind of fancy because we're using an app that makes it look old, but less cinema of attractions, getting out of a car with 20 people inside, more letting the town kind of speak for itself, letting the people speak for itself, and giving it that kind of atmosphere that drew spectators to it in the beginning.